So hey, what's up guys, this is Javi back here with another video. So yeah, today I will be creating a pattern using turtle graphics and HSP turtle space. Okay, so yeah, at first I'm import turtle as turtle. Okay, now import color sys as space. Okay, now I'm setting the turtle dot set up. I'm taking 800 into 800. Now turn or speed, I'm taking it as 0. Okay, it's the fastest speed. You can definitely say so 0. Now third dot pressure can be 10. Now third width, I think it's 2. Now third background color, I'm taking it as a black of it. Yeah, black. Now I'm taking as a loop for K in range 25 I'm taking, and for I in range in 16. And below third dot color cs dot hsp underscore co underscore rgb, it gets I dash 16 I'm taking G dash 25. Done. Correct. Now third dot right D. Now third dot circle, taking as 200 plus 4 390. Yeah. Now third is 9. Okay. Third dot circle and with 200 minus GA to 4 9. Yeah. Third right as 18. Okay. Third or circle as 50, 20. Now at the end, third right turtle for hiding the cursor, and now third for finishing the task. So here, as you can see, after running this, it's looking like this. So this is a function we have just doing it. So this is how it all implemented. You can definitely see here. Yeah. So as you can see, this is how it all implemented, and you can see how the drawing looks like. So yeah, this is all over the code and all. So yeah, thank you.